Good morning, guys. So we're not going to have a Google meeting this morning for English language arts time. We will have our Google meeting at math time like normal, so please show up at 12:35. But for this morning, we are not going to have our Google meeting, so you're just going to go straight to your assignments and work on your assignments. I put your English language arts videos in your assignment, so please watch those, follow the directions, and do what they say. And I'll show you right now what's in that so that you're sure about what your assignments are. So you're going to go to our Google Classroom and click on the classwork tab, and then we are working on English language arts. Hopefully you've already done your social emotional learning and your social studies assignments. If you haven't, make sure you get those done also. But you're going to click on English language arts, and then you'll open up the assignment. You'll type your name, and then we're going to work on confirming and correcting the predictions that we made. So you'll press play on this video and watch that lesson. Then you have some word work. Remember, we're working on vowel, consonant, silent E words this week. So you'll work on page 180 in your book. So watch this video and follow the directions there. And then you're going to pick 5 words from your spelling list and write sentences using those words, and you're going to write your sentences in the word work section of your reading journal. Be creative with your sentences and be sure to spell your words correctly. And I put your words right here in case you need them, but they're also on page 183 in your book. And then for writing, we're going to start revising our personal narrative rough drafts. So I've shown you a video that talks about revising, and it'll help you revise yours. So basically means you're going to read your story and look for ways to make it better before we start on our final draft. So watch that video, and then you're going to read yours. And then for your read aloud today, you're going to choose a page from our story, Picturesque Journeys, and you're going to read it aloud. You can read the same page that you did yesterday and get even better at that. Those of you that went on Flipgrid and recorded yourself reading, thank you. You guys did an awesome job. I was so impressed with how good you guys sounded reading those stories. You sound even better than the recording that Pearson Online has. So excellent job. I would love to see more of you guys go back to yesterday's assignment, click on that Flipgrid link, and read your page out loud so I can make sure that you're reading out loud and I can hear how well it is that you read. And then you have a checklist just to make sure you did everything. So for writing, you're going to watch the revision video and revise your personal narrative. You're going to complete the chart on page 177. You're going to watch a video and complete the sorting activity on page 180 for spelling. For vocabulary, you're going to use your spelling words to write 5 different sentences. And then for your read aloud, you're going to read aloud a part of Picturesque Journeys with expression. So make sure that it sounds good. If you finish early, use this time to complete your missing work. Make sure you finish your bio poems from yesterday. Some of you guys still haven't finished your science test from last week in STEM Scopes, and your social studies, my culture activity from last week. Those are all still in our Google Classroom. If you go to classwork, and then you're just going to scroll down, keep going, and then it'll be the week of 9/28 to 10/2. It was Thursday, so you'll have to click more, view more. That was 10/1. There we go. And so it is your social studies right here. And there's where you're going to get to your culture slide or any of your other work that you guys need to work on. So use your time wisely this morning. I will see you for math at 12:35. You guys have a good morning. And if you have any questions, please feel free to write a question in the comments section for this video. Have a good morning and go work. Bye.